Hello, class. This week's learning outcome is focused on new ways to collaborate digitally, and we will do that with using Twidler. Twidler is an online interactive whiteboard. This learning tool is free to set up, and it has many functions that are available for students to use in real time. Today, we will focus on collaborating in a meeting space. To begin the collaboration, a lead student must set the chat up. Let's watch this short YouTube video on how to begin a meeting space.
And very useful. So let me show you just how easy and functional this is. Again, we went to twidler.com and we clicked on the green button, and that put us in this screen here. And now I'm going to invite folks, so I can either type addresses here, just giving you a little example, and hit enter. I could put multiple addresses, or I could just give out this URL. Once I put my addresses in, I would hit send invites, and they would get an email, and that would have the URL in it.
Okay, class, let's go ahead and get started with using Twidler. And for the sake of time, I have already created a meeting space with 2 participants. Here you can see the chat that says good morning. Let's go ahead and resume. Okay, so we have both of the students acclimated and ready to begin the chat. Here, the documentation has already been added. We went to document and we clicked on this link, and it's brought up this document for us to collaborate on, to mark up. We can draw on here, we can add color. It's just whatever the students would like to do on this document. And student 2 can also do the same thing. May want to use a different color, but all the same. Another function that we can use for this is we can add images. We can click here and we can add this here. And both students are able to see it. It even posted in the chat. That's all the time we have today, class. We will resume later and we will further discuss the interactive online whiteboard. Thank you.